Hey everyone, I'm Ryan from WPMU Dev, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use a pretty cool integration between Forminator and E2PDF. Using these two plugins together will allow you to automatically generate PDFs using form data. So whether you want to simply store your form submissions as PDFs, or automatically create a signed contract when the user submits the form, you can do that and much more. Be sure to hit the plugin links in the description so you can get those on your site and give them a spin. There are three ways we can create these templates. 1. Automatically generate a PDF from a form. 2. Use a pre-made PDF template and map form data to it. Or 3. Use the PDF builder to design the template and fill it with form data. Let's jump right in. With this first method, we're going to get E2PDF to automatically create a PDF template from a form we've already created. You can do this with a draft or published form, it doesn't matter. I'm going to use this product order form that I've created with Forminator. So let's head to E2PDF and then to templates, click the add new button and give the template a title. Now we have a few options. We can select whether this template is active or not. For the template size, we can select something from the preset dropdown. Or, if we need something different, add that in manually. Next, we can choose the font, size, and alignment. The extension dropdown is where the integration comes in, and as you can see, E2PDF has picked up that we have Forminator installed and selected that for us, which is pretty neat. In the drop down below that, we can choose the form we want to use. If you don't see Forminator here, you'll need to go to the settings in the E2PDF menu and then to extensions, and make sure the box next to Forminator is not checked. Then go back to creating your template. After we have everything as we want it, we can hit the Auto PDF button, and just like that, we now have a PDF template that has been created from a form. The Auto PDF process has taken all our input fields and placed them in this template. If we wanted to change any of the original settings, we could do that by clicking on the options icon and making changes there. We can also move all these fields around on the template, so if you wanted to rearrange them and add additional items, that's pretty easy to do. Fields and objects can be dragged from the PDF builder and placed directly on the template. To change how fields are mapped, right click on a field, choose Map Field, and then we are shown a preview of our form, where we can then select the field we want. You can preview the PDF to see how it looks and save any changes. We can now click on Templates in the menu and our new template will be there. Now let's take a look at how we can use a pre-made PDF and add form data to that. We will add a new PDF template and give it a title. Add in the settings that we need. Then make sure Forminator is selected along with the form that we will be using to add in all the data. We now click Upload PDF and choose the PDF we want to use for the template. For this example, we're going to use a contract or agreement. We now have our PDF, but we currently don't have any of the form fields mapped anywhere on the template. We have to add these in manually. To do that, we just simply drag an HTML field from the PDF builder and place it where we want our data to be shown. Right click and choose Map Field. We can select the form field we want to be mapped to that part of the template. We can now do that for every other field we want to be shown on this template. Click Preview to see how it looks, and if you're happy with that, update to save the changes. We can also create a template by just using the PDF builder. Let's click Add New and give this template a name in the title box. Again, choose the settings that suit your needs best. I will make sure Forminator is selected and then choose the form I want this to be connected to. This time we're going to click the blank PDF button as we're going to completely design this within E2PDF. I would suggest having all the fields that you're going to map to this PDF written down somewhere. That way you can organise your design and make sure you don't miss anything. I'm going to create an order note from the order form we saw earlier. This could be something that gets sent to the warehouse admin staff, which gives them all the info they need to get the item ready for dispatch. I will drop in all the input fields I need here. I can now map the fields to these inputs. And finally, I can add the company logo and details to finish it off. We can preview it to make sure it's what we want and save any changes. So that is how you can create PDF templates with form data. Now we'll take a look at how the users can view, receive and download these PDFs, and we do that by using the E2PDF Shortcodes. To access these shortcodes, we can go to Templates in the E2PDF menu, then click on the Shortcodes drop-down next to the template we want to use. As an example, we will copy the View and Download shortcodes and head over to the Form settings in Forminator. Click Edit on the form we want and then go to Behaviour. We're going to add these shortcodes to the inline message which appears after the form submission. So basically, when the user completes the form and presses submit, this message will show along with the PDF and a link to download the file. If we go back to the PDF template and copy the attachment shortcode, we can now add that to an email notification, and the user will receive this after submitting the form. Here is what that email looks like with the attachment. That was our look at the integration between Forminator and E2PDF. It's worth noting that the free version of E2PDF allows you to have one active single page template at a time. But if you would like more than that, be sure to check out our partners page where you can grab a special discount on any of their pro plans. We always love to hear what you think about Forminator, so if you do have any comments or feedback, please drop them below. Thank you so much for watching.